Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a calendar to sell on Amazon. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Amazon, you would use our link in the description down below where you can get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, Amazon have this kind of features. It says Kindle Direct Publishing, where you can create, manage, or publish any media like ebook, paperback, hardcover, or series. But as you can see, you can create a you can publish or create an ebook directly right here on this application, but I recommend you to just use Canva, since Canva is the best multimedia editing platform that you can use. You can edit also a calendar, or you can create a calendar by templates or by scratch right here. So I recommend you that you go to canva.com and purchase a premium account so that you can have more features or more benefits, and you can make a calendar more how can I say this, more good. So yes, right here on the Canva, you can just search for a calendar. And if you click on it, as you can see, there's a bunch of templates that will appear that you can use to create calendars. So as you can see, there's a bunch of uh, templates you can use. As you can see, some of them needs to have a premium subscription. That's why I recommend you to purchase right now. So let's say we choose this one. So as you can see, you can't uh upload this or publish this template itself right here on Amazon, because you can get banned, since this template is owned by Canvas. So in order to publish it and also to sell it, you need to make it more unique. So you need to add some changes here in the template itself. So maybe you can change the font size, the text itself, the background color. Yes, that's it. You can add animation if you want. Any change will do. Just make it unique to you, and just make it not look like the templates itself. So it's up to you. You can edit this one whatever you want. Change the color, change the background picture, add some pictures, whatever like that. For example, like this, I add an image, and let's say we in decrease its opacity. So that's it. So as you can see, it's already different compared to the original template, so I can sell this. So yes, keep editing changes right here on the templates that you use, and that's it, you're done. You just need to download your file, click download, Wait until it's done, and after it's done, just go to Amazon KDP or Amazon itself and create a listing. Just upload the file itself, and you're done. And that's it. That's how you can create a calendar to sell on Amazon. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.